everyone, it's me again, Shana. For today, I would like to show you how I edited my previous video by using Filmora 9. If you're curious, then keep on watching. So here I imported all of the videos that I will be using, and then I pick one by one and put it on the timeline. Just keep doing the same. You pick one video and then add it to the timeline. If there are some adjustment that you have to do, just click on the screen and drag it around. And now here I add the music or back sound in order to make it more fun and more interesting, and so that the viewers will not be bored while watching it. Then I add a credit section at the end to show my gratitude for other artists and also app maker, because like I use their hard work in order to make something. And now I put on a recording for my opening, and I do a double audio, which means that both the back sound and the recording will play at the same time. And to make it not in laps with each other, I control the volume of the back sound to be lower than my recording. And at last, I add some subtitles to notice the viewers what is the song that they're listening, and also I add some subtitle for some tips, and I also add a subtitle with my Instagram username as my ID or copyright, so that when someone is trying to steal my video, my name is still on the video. One last final check, going back to the beginning and watch it all the way from the beginning. Make sure that there is nothing missing, nothing's broken, and it complies with all of the criteria that I have set before. And once it all set, just hit that export button and wait till it all got exported to 100%. And once it is done, you can just find it on your folder. Usually it's in the output folder, and you can just watch it, share it, and upload it to YouTube. And I guess that is all from me. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I would totally encourage you to use Filmora 9 because it's really easy to use. And for this video, I would also like to say thank you to Audio Library for their free copyright music. If you guys are looking for free copyright music, you can go straight ahead, find them on YouTube, Audio Library, and go straight to their website in order to download the music. Once again, thank you so much Audio Library, and thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye!